Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class, Similar Triangles, Pythagoras Theorem, Baudhayan Theorem. Theorem: in a right triangle, the square of length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of lengths of the other two sides. Reference is here given. Triangle ABC is the right triangle, right angled at B. This is the triangle ABC, right angled at B. When this is 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse. Required to prove AC square hypotenuse square is equal to AB square, this side square, plus BC square, this side square. Construction: draw BD perpendicular to AC. Proof: here triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. This is the triangle ADB and this is the triangle ABC. These two are similar. Here we have ADB and ABC. Then AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. Cross multiplication: AD into AC is equal to AB into AB square. This is equation 1. If you are unable to understand this, please see this explanation. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle A. In triangle ADB, this is angle A. This is equal to, in triangle ABC, this is angle A. This angle is equal to this angle. Common angles. Similarly, angle ADB, this is angle ADB, is equal to angle ABC. This is angle ABC. That means here angle D and here angle B. Both are equal to 90 degrees. So these two are equal. Here, when two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle, then the third angle of the first triangle is equal to the third angle of the second triangle. Therefore, these two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle ABC, are similar. By AA angle corollary, AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Then AD into AC is equal to AB into AB, that is AB square. That's what this one, equation 1. In the second one, triangle BDC, this is the triangle BDC, is similar to triangle ABC. Then DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. Cross multiplication: DC into AC is equal to BC into BC, that is BC square, equation 2. Here also, if you are unable to understand this, please see this explanation. In triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle C are common. Angle BDC here is equal to angle ABC. Here angle D and angle B both are equal to 90 degrees. When two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle, the third angle of the first triangle is equal to the third angle of the second triangle, since sum of the three angles should be 180 degrees. Since these two triangles are similar, by AA angle-angle corollary, DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Cross multiplication. DC into AC is equal to BC into BC, that is BC square. That is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get left hand side of first equation plus left hand side of second equation is equal to right hand side of first equation plus right hand side of second equation. In this, AD into AC plus DC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is common. Then here AD remains plus here DC remains is equal to AB square plus BC square. From this triangle, we know that AD plus DC is equal to AC. So we write AC into AC in place of AD plus DC. That is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC into AC is equal to AC square. That is equal to AB square plus BC square. Proved. One more method will be followed in the next video.